Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick little real-time test on one of the new tools in Milwaukee's lineup in the M12 series. It's the 2475 compact tire inflator. One of the features is you set the pressure target, hit go, it'll inflate until it's done. So I'm using pretty standard size vehicle tire right now. It's a 255/55/20 on a 2017 GMC Acadia. The pressure's down to 31 pounds. I want to target 35. So simple as adjust the pressure. So there's 35 psi. We're going to hit start and I'm going to set a timer. So let's go. There it is, 47 seconds. I was a little bit off, so let's call it 50. Under a minute, it brought it up from 31 to 35 psi. I'm going to do a little bit more detailed review of it later, but for right now, there's a quick overview. And disclaimer, I am not sponsored by anybody. Everything you see in this video, I purchased with my own money. I will put a link down if you want to buy one, if you're interested in purchasing one of these inflators. And additional info, I am running it with one of the larger capacity 4 amp hour batteries. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.